Hey everybody, so I got a new end table or a nightstand to share with you. This one was sent over to me. Also, they asked me to share the assembly, so stay tuned after this to watch the assembly if you wish. All right, so as you can see, this one has a couple different shelves on it that you could store things, magazines, whatever it might be. And then up here, we have a lid that opens up. So when we open up this lid, we got a whole area that you could store things in and keep them hidden. On the back side, we do have an outlet. We have two AC outlets and we have two USB ports, so you can plug in your devices, a lamp. You can also do your phones and tablets. Anyway, this is the little end table. Let's go ahead and jump into the assembly. All right, let's work on assembling this thing. So it shouldn't be very hard, shouldn't take very long. The instructions are really simple. All right, so the first step, you're gonna have the two ones, and then you're going to have the Y, and the Y is just the little feet. Put 1 foot in each hole. So step 2, we're going to add number 4, and we also need 4 of the B screws. And what we're going to do is we're going to put these up like this, and then we need to screw it into this bottom. This is going to be the bottom shelf. Now it does come with a little tool, but I prefer to use a drill. Just turn it down where you're not going to strip it. That or the other option is you could get it pretty close to being done and then just tighten it with the included tool. All right, so step 3, we have another number 4 that's going to go on the next row. So the next step is that we need the number 3s, which are these little guys, and they're going to go up here. And then we're going to use the end screws for this one. And then you're going to use 4 in the legs to hold these in place. I'm going to go ahead and move this one out of the way because we're going to work on another section of it. All right, so for the next step, we have 6 and 7, and we need to use the A for that one. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the A in the small holes. There's 2 of them on each one. Now with these, I typically use just a screwdriver because they're easy to strip. Next, we need the number 5. We're going to connect it to the 6 and the 7. The other thing you're going to need to do is you're going to want to take these A, the other part that goes to these other little screw things, and you're going to want to put them in the larger holes of the number 5. All right, next we need to attach them, and just make sure that you keep track of which one needs to go where. The holes on these ones are on one end. Next, go ahead and tighten these in place. Now that piece that we just built, we want to put it in here. It is just going to slide in right here, and we're going to use the B screws to hold this one in place. Next, we're going to put our outlet in here. It is just going to go in that little rectangle that's open, and then we're going to screw that in place. And then we'll just drop the cord through the little hole that's here, and we'll be able to bring it in, and then we'll bring it out here and then plug it in. All right, so once that's in there, we need to prepare the lid. Now the lid on one side is going to have 4 small holes. We're going to put those little screw anchor, whatever you call these things, we're going to put them in there. Then you're just going to put that right on top. All right, then you're going to open up one side of it, and then you just got to tighten those down. All right, so there we go. It's all put together. Super easy. Didn't take very long at all, just a few minutes. The instructions are really simple, really easy to follow. But anyway, it's a pretty nice little table, and again, really easy assembly.